All right, welcome to the tutorial on how to use a Clorox 6-way pool test strip. It's 6-way, test for 6 different chemical statuses. We only need 3 of them, and this is going to be really easy if you follow the particular steps. If you don't follow them, you're going to get some bad results. Let me show you a couple easy steps. Number 1, read the directions. You'll find them hiding. You have to peel it up right here, and it hides behind the main label. If you look at the corner of these test strips, and that bottom corner isn't all chewed up, it means no one has ever read the instructions. The instructions are very simple. We're going to walk you through them right now. Step number 1, look out for one of those. That's the pool jet. You need to locate a spot on your pool that has no nearby jets. That's the closest one to us. The next one is the far end of the pool. So this corner is a great place to take the test. You want to take the test here because the jet is constantly bringing freshly chlorinated water to the surface. You want to get an area that's more average. And so for that, you need to be off the surface where oils and other things float, and you need to be down deep where the water is better mixed. Step number 2, roll up your sleeve. Because to do this right, you have to test all the way down to your elbow. Now, get yourself a test strip and be careful. Don't put a finger on one of the colored tabs. They have special chemicals in them that react to the chemicals in the water to make a special color. And when they do, they'll give you the answer you need unless you put your fingers on them and the oils from your skin have altered the results. So hold it by the end tab. Get down low, because you're going to go all the way down to your elbow. We're going to go straight in and straight back up. Bring it level, and we're going to wait 15 seconds. 1, 2, 14, 15. Now give it one shake. We're just going to shake off that excess water. Now come in close. And you see the colors that are developed? We shook off that water so that the chemicals wouldn't float from one tab to another and change the colors while we're trying to read it. Now on this particular brand, we're interested in total chlorine, pH, and stabilizer, items 2, 4, and 6. So we just read along, and it looks like chlorine is reading high, but not very high, with a rating of 5. It looks like our pH is reading low. Now, this is an interesting one because you see the little tab is not a solid color all the way around. Just read the deep color in the center and compare that. That looks to me somewhere between very low and low. Pick which one you think it's closest to. It's not that yellow orange. The color is more of that salmon orange. So we're going to call that 6.8. And now we'll read stabilizer. Well, clearly not purple, not brick red, not even a little bit brown red. It's all the way down here in very low, or 0. It's that simple. You might get frustrated because the color doesn't seem to be exactly a match. Don't worry about it. Pick what's closest and write that down, and that's the number we work from. Now your job is to write these numbers onto your pool log, and then you may have to react to them. For instance, if the pH is off, you might add soda ash. If the chlorine is low, you're going to add liquid chlorine, and so on. If your CA, that is your cyanuric acid or stabilizer level, is too high, you're not going to add anything. Stabilizer is an interesting chemical. It's so stable, it never goes away. And it just builds up over time in your pool. When it gets too high, when it gets over 100, that's when we flush out water from the pool and refill the pool and start again from scratch. That's something you should be doing anyway every couple of years, and we do it based on the stabilizer. We use that like a clock. So there you go. That's how you read total chlorine, pH, and stabilizer. And should you need to add anything, talk to your pool man. Your pool man can tell you over the phone what you need to add today to fix your pool today. So if he's not going to be here until the weekend and your chlorine has plummeted because it's been hot and lots of people in the pool, you can add that chlorine today. Just give him a call and he'll walk you through it. Thanks very much.